Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to reverse the polarity of the CT in the Sungrow logger if you find that the direction is incorrect. Here's an example from one project site where the phase active power values were negative. Since the installer had already left the site, they were able to reverse the polarity remotely. In some cases, installers may not be able to reverse the CT on site immediately due to work permit restrictions. Once the work permit is approved, they may physically change the CT direction and then set the meter reverse connection back to close. Let's get started. First, select the meter showing the incorrect CT polarity, then click on Initial Parameter. Next, under Meter Reverse Connection Enable, select Open to reverse it, then click Settings. That's it. Click on Realtime Values to verify the correction. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your fellow installers. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content.